All of us have a superhero in our lives, aka the super mom or a mother figure. Today on Learn with Samita, we are celebrating mums in different avatars. The bun in the oven mum, the new mum, the not so new mum, the working mum, the SAHM mum, the single mum, the mumpreneur, the grandmum, the stepmom, and the pet mum. How are we celebrating mums this Mother's Day? Chocolates, high tea, flowers? Why not think a little differently? The gift of time, spent in a garden, on the beach, a nature walk. The gift of mental stimulation, a visit to an exhibition or a show. The gift of mindfulness, a craft or a hobby, an interest. Creative hobbies like art, crochet, knitting, cooking, reading, sculpting, or exercises in mindfulness. Sand sculptures are eco-friendly, temporary, and deeply symbolic, reminding us of life's fleeting beauty and the importance of being present. Research shows that sand sculpting reduces anxiety, enhances mindfulness, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, sparks creativity in the brain. You don't need to be a sculptor. There are DIY sand sculpture kits, mobile sand art classes, and even Mother's Day beach events where families come together to create something beautiful. The gift of company, socializing over lunch or coffee. Shared moments are the real wellness therapy. The most critical, yet the most underrated gift, the gift of wellness. The wellness gift doesn't have to be in your face, like dumbbells, like treadmills. It can be subtle, stylish, and blend fashion with fitness. The UltraHuman Air Ring does just that. It's a wellness tracker ring that monitors sleep, movement, recovery, skin temperature, heart rate, and metabolic rate without the distraction of a screen. It offers plugins that can optimize the intake of vitamin D. Aren't most of us down under deficient in vitamin D? And for all of you coffee addicts, it can optimize your coffee intake. How good is that? For all couples expecting to see a bun in the oven, UltraHuman can track your ovulation cycle and give you a 7-day fertile window. UltraHuman provides insights into cardiovascular endurance and fitness levels. Most importantly, it can regulate screen time. Why do you think sleep is so important to us?
So during sleep, it repairs the tissues, builds the muscles, strengthen the immune system. Second point, improve the brain function, occurs for a longer period of time. It supports the brain function. It helps regulate hormone that controls our appetite, hunger, stress. Sleep is very important. So if you take care of your sleep pattern, you can minimize all these things.
UltraHuman is lightweight and discreet. It's 11 times lighter than any wrist-based wearable. Wrist-based trackers can interfere with activities like typing, playing the music, driving, sleeping. In such cases, ring-based trackers can be less of a hindrance. Do you know? Only 12% of smartwatch users use it for tracking sleep. UltraHuman's data is more accurate compared to leading smartwatches. You can share your scores with people of your choice, perhaps your GP, children who live interstate or overseas, in a private group. What is your suggestion for a wearable tracker ring?
So the early diagnosis is done through this technology, the tracker, and this can be connected with the provider, and your all findings are transmitted like heart rate, body temperature. It is a very helpful, particularly people are in a meeting or living alone, or people don't have that much of support. So it automatically goes to the provider and they connect it to the health professional like GP, specialist, or in the emergencies, and it will prevent, because this gives an early signal something going to happen. So that is a really very, very helpful. And it is easy to carry. When there is sudden change of posture or suddenly change in the pulse rate, temperature, heart rate, so this will give a signal immediately to the provider.
Perfect for busy mums, the UltraHuman Air offers real-time biofeedback, helping with mindfulness, sleep, and work-life balance. The actual ring is like this. It's a sturdy box. Comes with the charger. So that's your charger. And this is the cable. It's kind of placed here. So what you need to do is take the charger out, plug it in. The charger will show a purple light when it's ready for charging. I have used a multi-adapter, but it comes with its own cable. And then you simply have to place the ring on the charger, and the light, as you can see, has turned blue. You can charge for approximately 30 minutes. When you order the UltraHuman Air Ring, you first receive, at no extra cost, the Air Ring sizing kit, which has the color samples and the size samples. So you can select the color of your choice. I chose Bionic Gold, which goes with my gold jewelry, and the different sizes. That was too tight, so this one's better. So I went with size 7. Because of the sizing kit, there are no nasty surprises when the actual ring comes to you. UltraHuman offers strict data security with end-to-end encryption and compliance with global standards. Your data is never shared without your explicit consent. For optimal tracking, wear the ring 24/7, even while you are sleeping. It's water resistant and safe for activities like showering or swimming. The ring automatically detects workouts, but you can also manually activate the workout mode. UltraHuman is priced at $349. But as always, we have that something extra special for followers and subscribers of Learn with Samita. You can get 10% off with coupon code Samita10. That's $34.90 off US. And that, my friends, is a jolly good price. What's the icing on the cake? You can trade in your old smart ring for a credit of up to $100 towards your new ring. There is no subscription, simply a one-off down payment. The ring is built to last with premium materials like titanium. With normal use, it should last several years. It comes with a regular 1-year warranty and an opt-in extended warranty. The ring is made with medical grade titanium which is hypoallergenic. Keep the ring clean and dry. Take breaks from wearing it. Switch fingers occasionally. For more clarity, you can refer to the detailed user manual. The UltraHuman team is very proactive and will address your concerns and queries effectively and promptly. Like this video? Do not forget to share it with someone who might be looking for unique Mother's Day gifts. Share, comment and subscribe for more content on sustainable fashion and living, wellness and artisan stories. This is Samita signing off. Till next time. Bye for now.